can start. Explain your take-home message, yeah.
So, we learned that child trafficking is real and is practiced by everyone and doesn't exclude the children's parents, their siblings, and even the strangers. And we also learned that we can curb child trafficking by creating social awareness and by active participation by everyone in the society. It's up to us all and not just organizations like Cradle. That's what we learned as Group 2.
Okay, the next group.
As for us before, we learned that child trafficking is real, it is dehumanizing, and it's our responsibility as a society to curb it. And for those who do it are supposed to be reported to the officers that are around over there.
Hi.
Hi.
As Group 3, we learned that child trafficking is unjust, inhuman, and illegal. It's unjust because you're not doing justice to the person who you know has been trafficked or is suffering child labor or is suffering sexual harassment. Also, it's inhuman because if you traffic someone or you keep quiet and you know that someone has been trafficked, you're not doing a purposeful thing to that person, and it's also illegal because it's against the law. Yes.
Mine are many. As Group 5, the message you're taking home. First, all children should be educated about their rights. Whether young, whether old, as in above 18, each and everyone should be educated about their rights. 2, people should be aware that there are consequences for child trafficking. Actually, people do it because they see that they cannot be charged. So we think that it's very realistic to go and tell them that you can be charged 30 million or 30 years in prison, which is very just. 3, teenagers should make wise decisions. Actually, the most sad thing in this life is teenagers, as we speak now, because many of them, they don't make wise decisions. So it's you should think critically, as number 4 says, and make wise decisions as a teenager. And then 5, parents should provide parental love, care, and protection to their children. I know once we are out of here, maybe some of us will meet, maybe some of us will not meet. But if your parents, remember to take this thing in order to avoid child trafficking. 6, collective responsibility to everyone to ensure that children's rights are exercised to the fullest. Each and every right should be exercised. And then 7, message on our t-shirts. As you can read, open your eyes to child trafficking, then stop child trafficking. Thank you.
Great. Next group. Oh yes, why didn't you talk? I was wondering.
Our message is keep child alive. Mtoto ni wa jamii. From the street, everyone was responsible for the child trafficking, and then sio ungwana kumnyima haki zake. So si vizuri kumnyima mtoto haki zake. Everyone should ensure that the child gets his or her right. Ni wajibu wetu sote kuchukua hatua ya kumtetea. It's our responsibility as a community, as Kenyans, to stop child trafficking. Simama, you can understand. Chukua hatua, linda mtoto, keep child alive.
Very good. The next group, take home message.
And for us, because child trafficking can be stopped if we create awareness, not awareness just by children but to the community. We as children should play a part in knowing our rights in order to create unity in the community. Not that when you pick up by a problem, you just only keep quiet. You should also tell others the story. Parents should have love for their children so as to stop the trafficking. Yes, if parents have love, if a parent is having love, he can't send the child. So that one will stop the child trafficking. When curbing a serious problem accidents are really going anywhere, we should have self-esteem and stand for your rights, and not tell people that you should stand and not just gaze and just be open. Reports should be taken to the nearest police station if noticed any child trafficking. Yes, this one will help, so that to help the child or even the guy to solve the issue. And this one will help the community, because even maybe you can keep quiet, and that one could be a leader in the future. Yes. Parents should be responsible in knowing how the child run well. Not that a parent akiwa na mtoto, huyo mtoto hajui vile analala, yeye kazi yake ni kwenda kwa bar, anarudi hajui vile mtoto alikula. So that's why a parent should be responsible to avoid child trafficking. Thank you.
Is there any other group?
Yeah, this is group 7. And the message home is giving special attention to children with special needs. Yeah, if you give attention to children with special needs, they will use their talents as usual, as the others without the special needs. And then number 2, parents should show love and care to their children to prevent child trafficking. I think the point has been exhausted by other groups. Number 3, creating awareness on child trafficking. Yeah, if you are aware of this, I think will help more. Number 4, standing firm to identify and support children's rights. Yeah, if you're firm and we know children's rights, we'll be ready to support them, and actually child trafficking won't be there. It will be exterminated. Number 5.